The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Uniata County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Miserville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Shamokin, Mount Carmel, Coltman, Millersburg, Pine Grove, Fairview, Ferndale, Lycans, Tremont, Elizabethville, Marshallton, Williamstown, Tower City, Port Trevorton, Donaldson, Klingerstown, Leckhill, Urban, Roebuck, Miserville, and Edgewood. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 96 to 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill.